15 tips to improve your English from a beginner to an intermediate level. Learn English online with us. Our prices are super affordable, and our teachers are experts in their field. This is your chance to transform your life through English learning. Don't hesitate. Join us now and start your path to success. For registration, simply contact us at amanyakta99@gmail.com. 1. Set clear goals. Before starting your English learning journey, it's essential to set clear and achievable goals. Determine what level of proficiency you want to reach and set smaller milestones along the way. For example, you might aim to have basic conversations within 3 months and read intermediate level texts within 6 months. 2. Practice regularly. Consistency is crucial when learning a language. Regular practice, even if it's just a few minutes a day, helps reinforce what you've learned and builds a strong foundation for language skills. 3. Immerse yourself. Surrounding yourself with English content helps you become familiar with the language's nuances and natural flow. Watch English movies and TV shows, listen to podcasts or radio in English, and read books, articles, or blogs in the language. 4. Start with basic grammar. Learning grammar fundamentals is essential for constructing coherent sentences and understanding the language's structure. Start with simple sentence structures, verb tenses, bare nouns, and pronoun agreements. 5. Expand vocabulary. Learning new words enriches your language skills and allows you to express yourself better. Use flashcards, vocabulary lists, or apps to learn new words daily, and try using them in context to writing and speaking. 6. Listen actively. Active listening involves paying close attention to spoken English and trying to comprehend the meaning without necessarily translating it to your native language. Listen to various accents and different speakers to become familiar with various speech patterns. 7. Speak aloud. Speaking English aloud helps improve pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Practice reading aloud, have conversations with yourself, or find language partners to talk with regularly. 8. Join language groups. Joining language exchange groups or online forums allows you to interact with others who are also learning English or are native speakers. This provides an opportunity to practice speaking, ask questions, and receive feedback. 9. Keep a journal. Writing regularly in English helps solidify your understanding of grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. It also provides a means to express your thoughts and feelings in the language. 10. Use language apps. Language learning apps offer interactive exercises, quizzes, and games that make learning engaging and fun. They often include grammar lessons, vocabulary drills, and speaking practice. 11. Learn phrases and idioms. Understanding common phrases and idiomatic expressions allows you to communicate more naturally and sound like a native speaker. Try to learn the meaning and usage of popular phrases to incorporate them into your conversations. 12. Get feedback. Seeking feedback from teachers, language tutors, or language partners helps identify areas for improvement and correct mistakes. Constructive criticism is invaluable for your language development. 13. Practice reading comprehension. Reading articles or books in English and summarizing or discussing them with others enhances your reading comprehension skills. Try to identify the main points, key arguments, and context of the material. 14. Be patient. Language learning is a gradual process, and progress may not always be immediately noticeable. Celebrate even small successes, such as successfully using a new word or understanding a complex sentence. 15. Travel or engage with native speakers. If possible, travel to an English-speaking country or engage with native speakers online. Immersing yourself in a real-life English-speaking environment provides authentic practice and accelerates your language learning. Remember that everyone's language journey is unique, so adapt these tips to suit your learning style and preferences. The key is perseverance, dedication, and a positive attitude towards learning. Good luck on your path to English proficiency.